Hey guys, welcome to English class for today. Look, we're like in a room. How cool is that? I'm having so much fun with these filters. Okay, we are going to be doing two things today. We're going to be taking your spelling quiz, and we are going to be in grammar page 52 and 53. Okay, you guys ready for this? Let's do it. Take out a piece of paper. Number it 1 to 18. If you need to stop the video, study your list for a couple of minutes, but then put your list away, please. Because we want to make sure that I see how you're doing without looking at your list. Okay, that's the point of it. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Flat. Flat. Number 2. Way. 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 Number 3. Play. 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 Number 4, clasp. 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 Number 5, camp. 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 Number 6, stray. 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 Number 7, tray. 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 Number 8, damp. 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 Number 9, delay. 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 Number 10, clay. 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 Next one, cramp. 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 Next one, gray. 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 Next one, flap. 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 Next one, relay. 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 Next one, clamp. 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 And I think I didn't say this one yet, so if you need one more, grasp. 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 But if I already said it, you don't have to repeat it. I don't know how Michelle's gonna get so distracted in that list and I forget what I'm doing. Okay, here we go. Now we're gonna be in grammar page 52 and 53. We're talking about effective communicators use capitalization to improve clarity. Okay, so what does that mean? Effective communicators capitalize. They capitalize, meaning that they use mayusculas in order for people to understand what they are talking about. That's improved clarity, okay, to act out our things. So I'm going to share this screen with you. Okay, let's make myself a little bit bigger so you know your teacher is always watching you. Kind of, right? Because really you can only see me, but still. Okay, here we go. Look at what we're talking about today. Proper nouns on page 52 and 53. Days, months, holidays, and special days. What is it talking about? Look at the green box. Capitalize all proper nouns. Stop right there. What are proper nouns? Does anybody remember? Proper nouns are the nouns that are specific, okay? Specific place, specific thing, specific whatever you want to talk about, okay? So what do we mean by that? If I say school, that's a common noun. That's a general noun, not a specific one, and you don't need to capitalize it. But if I say Roca Solida School, it's a specific school, so now it is a proper noun, okay? And you have to capitalize it. If I say country, that is not a proper noun. That's a common noun. We don't know what country you're talking about. But if I say Honduras, it is a specific proper noun, and we have to capitalize it, okay? So what it's saying here is that we do the same thing, capitalize the days of the week, the months of the year, but not the seasons. And capitalize holidays and special days. Holidays are special days like Christmas, Easter, different things like that. So that's why I have written right here. Days, months, holidays, and special days need to be capitalized. Guys, alert, alert. I think you've learned this before. That's totally different from Spanish. In Spanish, you do not write lunes with a capital L, right? Unless it's at the beginning of a sentence. You do not write septiembre at the with a capital letter unless it's at the beginning of a sentence. But you do in English, okay? So let's show you what I'm talking about here. Oops. Monday is capitalized. Tuesday is capital. Wednesday, these are my days of the week, is capitalized. Thursday, Friday. I'm moving my screen too much, right? You guys are gonna kick my butt. Okay. Forgive me. Saturday, Sunday. All of those are capitalized, right? All of those are capitalized. Okay, let me do something here really quickly. Still doing something here really quickly. Okay. There we go. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those all have to be capitalized, and so do your months. So here we go. I want you to be spelling them correctly if they ask you. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay? The other days, like holidays, like I told you, Easter, Christmas, different things like that. Okay, so look at think A. Write a proper noun for each common noun. So you have 4 common nouns right there. Month, that's your miss. Holiday, I just named 2 like 50 times. Day and state. Okay, state, you can put your departamento. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Give a month that is a proper noun. Any of the months that are right here, I want you to spell them correctly. Number 2, a holiday. I already just told you to. Go ahead and write one down. Make sure there's a capital letter. If there's no capital letter, what's the point in this lesson? Letter number 3, write a day. There's how you spell your days. Don't spell it incorrectly, please. And state, you can put a departamento. Okay. Look at think B. By the way, is Roatan a departamento? No. So nobody better write Roatan down there. Okay. Here we go. Think B. Write the abbreviation for each month or day. Place a period at the end of each abbreviation. So you guys know what an abbreviation is, right? I think I've taught you this before. An abbreviation is a shorter way to say something. So for example, let me write them here for you. And then you can fill them in by looking at it. Monday's abbreviation is MON. period. You have to put the period at the end, okay? Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This is your official abbreviation. So if you write this on a piece of paper or something like that, everyone's going to know that you're talking about this day or this month because it's like a universal language for how to write something smaller. By the way, there is no abbreviation for May because May is very short already. There you go. There's your abbreviations. Use them to do that exercise. Make sure you have a capital letter. Make sure you use your periods at the end. Look at thing C. Use proofreader marks to mark capitalization. Okay, watch right here. Okay, listen carefully. Number 1, Memorial Day is celebrated each spring on the last Monday in May. Okay, there are 4 words in that sentence that must be capitalized. So you must put the 3 lines underneath the letter that needs to be capitalized. Remember, the 3 lines is the proofreader symbol for capitalizing something. So look at number 1 again. There are 4 words. I'm going to help you with this one. We're looking for, remember, days, months, holidays, and special days. So Memorial Day is a holiday. So memorial and day must be capitalized. If you can hear that bing, 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 sorry, it's homework coming in, guys, and I can't make it stop sounding unless I mute my computer, which can't happen because I'm on a Zoom call. Okay, so Memorial Day is capitalized, M in memorial, D in day, right? What else is capitalized? What do you think, guys? Monday and what? May, okay? Because Monday's a day and May is a month. So capitalize memorial, capitalize day, capitalize Monday, capitalize May. Okay, look at number 2. There are 3 words that must be capitalized. 3 words that must be capitalized. Go for it. Number 3. There are 3 words that must be capitalized. And number 4, only 1 word should be capitalized. Okay, look at remember D. Read the sentence and mark the bubble next to the correct way to write the underlined words. If the underlined words are written correctly, mark the bubble that says next to correct as is. So look at it. I love to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus on Easter Sunday. Okay, is it correct? Let's think about it. Is it correct to capitalize Jesus? Claro que sí. Is it correct to capitalize Easter? Claro que sí, because it's a holiday. Is it correct to capitalize Sunday? Yes, because it's a day. So that is correct as is, and you can color it in. Correct as is. Now go ahead and do number 2. There's 1 word in there that should not be capitalized, that they capitalize. So go ahead and find the choice that does not capitalize that word. And look at remember E, mark the bubble next to the sentence that is written correctly. So go ahead and look at those. There's 1 sentence that is actually written correctly. Okay, here we go. Look at page 53. Now we're on page 53. So we're going to change this right here. Now it says capitalize all proper nouns, capitalize words that refer to God and the Bible. Put a period after each abbreviation of the book, so the Bible, just like months, you put a period after abbreviation. Put a colon between the chapter and the verse of a scripture. So Genesis 1:1 would be Gen.1:1. Okay, I'm going to show you that right here. If it was Genesis 1:1, it'd be Gen.11. There's your semicolon right here. Okay, and your punto after the abbreviation. Remember, use a colon between hour and minutes of a written time. We already know that. So if it's like 4:15, that's the same thing, the colon. Pardon, I said semicolon, it's colon. Also, we need to capitalize names, initials. I'll show you what that is in a second. Titles of respect, like Miss, Mr. The word I for yo, right? And family titles, like grandma or something like that. Okay, so let me show you some examples there. Place a period after initials and titles of respect if they are abbreviated. So for example, we say doctor. Doctor must be capitalized and have a point after it because it's an abbreviation. David. Okay. If we have Miss, there's no point there because that's not an abbreviation. It's just Miss. B is the initial, Miller. Okay, so you have to have a point after B. And grandma, grandmother, okay, is a family title that must be capitalized. So look at think A. Use proofreader marks to mark capitalization and to insert missing punctuation. Okay, so look at this one. At $2.25. What do we need between the 2 and the 25? Colon. At 2:25 yesterday. Mom, do we need to capitalize it? Yes, because it's the title of her. And Mrs., we need to capitalize it because it's a title of respect. Collins, because that's the name. Don't forget to put the point after Mrs. Went to Ladies Bible. Capitalize because it's about Bible. Study. Point, right? Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 things we needed to change. We need to put a colon here. We need to capitalize mom. We need to capitalize Mrs. We need to put a point after Mrs. We need to capitalize Collins. And we need to capitalize Bible. Okay? So look at number 2. Pastor Keith preached from the book of Philippians last Sunday morning. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 things you need to capitalize there to fix that sentence. Go ahead and do it. Okay, look at number 3. There are 4 things you must capitalize there that have to do with the Bible. 4 things you must capitalize there. Go for it. Okay, number 4, there's 1 thing you have to capitalize. And in number 5, there's 1 thing to capitalize, 1 point to put, and 1 colon, which are the 2 points. Here's your colon. So go ahead and find that. Okay, look at right B. Write an interrogative sentence containing the name of your favorite holiday. So what's your favorite holiday? Maybe it's Christmas. Maybe it's Independence Day, which is September 15th. Maybe it's Valentine's Day. Maybe it's Easter. Maybe it's Thanksgiving. Maybe it's New Year's, January 1st. What is your favorite day? Write an interrogative sentence. Remember, interrogative means a question. And make sure you have your capital letter on your holiday in English. Okay, look at thing C. A title of respect and a name are shown in parentheses to the left of each sentence. Complete each sentence by writing the title and the name correctly. So let me show you how to do number 1. Reverend is another name for pastor. Reverend David Hopkins. How are you going to do that? Well, to abbreviate Reverend, you go REV point, and then David Hopkins needs your capital letters. Okay? So I'm going to let you do it for number 2. There should be a point after a title of respect and a point after each initial. There are 2 of them. And you must capitalize everything. So go ahead and do that. And don't do remember D. Okay, that's it for today. So let's remember that. What do we capitalize? What do we know we have to capitalize now? Your days, your months, your holidays, your special days. Things about God, things about the Bible, names, initials, titles of respect, the letter I, for when we're speaking about I, me, yo, and family titles like mother, grandmother, aunt, uncle, cousin, different things like that. Okay? There we go, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for working hard. Have a happy Friday.